Newton. We are in the middle of the field. Why? Why are we here?
I see. Quite astute of you, you have noticed. Well, remember, well, don't specifically remember, but you know how we don't have a lab because of a certain incident that is the one that you shouldn't remember? I noticed that you were a bit touchy about that, and you were a bit grumpy. So, I thought, I'll get Herman a new lab.
A new lab? I like the old lab.
Yeah, but we don't have the old lab anymore. So, a new lab.
I feel it bears repeating. We are in the middle of a field. Where is this new lab?
Okay, so this is a lab that I worked in maybe 10 years, maybe 10 years ago on one of my doctorates, but I'm pretty sure it's still up and running. My friends there, they'll probably still be working really hard on science, and yeah, and we go and find that lab, and then you'll have a new lab. I mean, there's loads of chalkboards there probably. I mean,
what do you mean find?
So, as you were mentioning earlier, we're in the middle of this field, and I may not actually know how to get there exactly from this field.
Newton, why do you always do this?
But on the plus side, we can go through all this nature on what some might say a nature adventure.
A nature adventure.
Nature adventure.
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. Nature
adventure with Newt.
And Herman's there too.
Yeah, he is. Look, Herman. Nature. Look. Actual, real life greenery. Green.
I hate green.
But you're wearing a green coat.
Please don't touch me.
Okay, so, wait a second. I think I do. I see the building in the distance. It's over there. I'm sure it's over there.
What are you talking about? That's a tree.
Oh yeah. So it is.
Nature.
Herman. I found a newt. And I am going to name him Herman Jr. Look at him. He looks just like you. He's green, like your coat. Don't. Nature's attacking me, Herman. It's okay. Cool, calm, like Chris Pratt. I'm taming the nature, just like he tamed Herman, are you not helping me? I got pricked. Herman, nature. It's deadly. I found a pet though.
Adventure. And here we see the Herman in his unnatural environment. As you can see, he is not surrounded by chalkboards or math, and this means that he is very confused. We do not want to unsettle a wild Herman.
What?
Oh no, it appears that the Herman has noticed his commentator.
What are you whispering about?
An angry Herman. It's not something that you... Oh no, it's something.
Herman! I was just admiring the nature.
Can we just get to the lab?
Yeah. I'm sorry, biologist instincts to admire wildlife and wild Hermans.
Nature!
If I go forward... Come on, Evie! Oh, there's a Gengar here! can now claim to be the true Pokemon Master, I feel. Yes, I found a real life Pokemon! This is a scientific breakthrough, Herman! Why are you not excited?
What are you doing?
Gengar.
Turn off that. Is that a GPS?
Yeah, it's a Pokemon.
You've had a map this whole time?
So I have!
Are you serious?
I mean, on the plus side, it's only been 14 hours of walking.
Where is the lab, Newton?
It's a... Apparently, it is right behind us. Funny thing that.
Newton, there's only one building here, and it's completely abandoned.
I see you're talking about that building. Yes, that does appear to be the lab.
This is the lab that we've been searching for 14 hours.
What answer could I give you that won't result in you hitting me?
None.
Then I'll just go with yes, that is the lab. Hey, but they could still be there. They could have just removed the roof so that those trees could grow through.
Unbelievable. I'm going home.
We can't go home. We don't have signal.